Hi Sam. It's great to see you again. Today, we're learning the word
Mädchen.
Hi Alex.
Mädchen.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Mädchen.
means girl in English. It's a common term used to refer to a young female.
Oh, so it's just for young females.
Yes, exactly. It specifically refers to girls, usually children or teenagers. Just be careful, because a similar word
Frau.
means woman, which is different.
Got it. Is there anything I should know about how to use?
Mädchen.
Grammatically.
Yes,
Mädchen.
is a neuter noun, so its article is.
Das.
In plural, it becomes.
Die Mädchen.
Die Mädchen.
Means the girls.
Right. In the present tense, you might say,
Das Mädchen spielt.
which means the girl plays. In the past tense, you can say,
Das Mädchen spielte.
and in perfect, you would say,
Das Mädchen hat gespielt.
I see. What about the imperative?
the imperative is not commonly used with,
Mädchen.
since it refers to a noun. But if you were speaking directly to a girl, you might say,
Mädchen, komm her.
meaning girl, come here.
That's helpful. Do we know where the word
Mädchen.
comes from?
Yes. The word comes from the Old High German,
Matja.
which means young person. Over time, it evolved into the form we use today.
That's fascinating.
It really is. The way words develop can tell us a lot about culture and society.
Can we break down
Mädchen.
into parts?
Sure. The word is actually a diminutive form. It starts with the root,
Maid.
which means young woman, and the suffix
Chen.
indicates smallness or endearment.
So, it's like saying little girl.
Exactly. So you can think of it as little maid or little girl.
That makes sense. Are there similar words in German?
Yes. There are several. For example, there's,
Bäckerchen.
meaning little baker, from,
Bäcker.
which means baker.
Oh, I see.
Chen.
Is a common ending for little things.
Yes. Other examples include,
Kätzchen.
meaning kitten,
Häuschen.
for little house, and,
Büchlein.
for little book. All of these use the diminutive form.
Chen.
Are there more?
Certainly. You can also consider,
Hündchen.
for puppy,
Tischchen.
for small table, and,
Männchen.
for little man.
Those are great examples. Can you think of situations where I might use?
Mädchen.
Of course. If you're at a playground, you might say,
Das Mädchen spielt mit dem Ball.
which means the girl is playing with the ball.
Okay, let me try.
Das Mädchen spielt mit der Puppe.
Perfect. That means the girl is playing with the doll.
What about another situation?
If you're at a birthday party, you might say,
Die Mädchen essen Kuchen.
meaning the girls are eating cake.
Let me try.
Die Mädchen trinken Saft.
Great job. That means the girls are drinking juice.
Can we do one more?
Sure. If you're talking about a group of friends, you could say,
Die Mädchen haben Spaß.
which means the girls are having fun.
Okay, I'll say.
Die Mädchen tanzen.
Excellent. That means the girls are dancing.
How can I remember the gender of?
Mädchen.
A good hint is that it ends in,
Chen.
which is always neuter in German. You can visualize a cute little girl playing with toys, and that should help you remember.
That's a cute image.
Just a quick note.
Mädchen.
Is informal, so you'd use it in casual conversations. You can also say,
Das kleine Mädchen.
for the little girl.
Are there any similar words I should be careful about?
Yes, be careful with,
Frau.
which means woman. They can sound similar, but they refer to different ages.
Can you give me some example sentences with?
Mädchen.
Sure. Here are a few.
Das Mädchen liest ein Buch.
Which means the girl is reading a book.
That's nice.
Another one is,
Die Mädchen gehen zur Schule.
meaning the girls are going to school.
I like that.
One more.
Das Mädchen hat einen Hund.
Which means the girl has a dog.
Great examples.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Mädchen.
mean?
It means girl.
Correct. What is its article?
It's.
Das.
Right. What's the plural form?
That would be.
Die Mädchen.
Perfect. Can you give me a sentence using
Mädchen.
in the past tense?
Das Mädchen spielte im Park.
Excellent. And last question, can you tell me the gender of?
Mädchen.
It's neuter because of.
Chen.
You did fantastic today, Sam. Remember,
Mädchen.
means girl, and it's a neuter noun. Keep practicing, and you'll master it.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about.
Mädchen.
I'm glad to hear that. See you next time.